It's a little tweak I did this year opposed to other years. So we'll see how it plays out. What's up guys, and welcome to another episode of El Jardín Perdido. Today, we're frost protecting plants. All right guys, so we're in late January. The whole US is facing, well, most of the US is facing this vortex that's not weather modification, but it's cold. So in Houston, Texas, we were in the 70s last week. Now, as I'm speaking, it's in the 30s and it's going down into the mid 20s. Hopefully not too much lower than that. The good news is the next couple of days is it's going to fluctuate up into at least the 40s. Whereas in, I think it was 2021, we had a hard freeze in which it was between 30 and 20 for like 10 days straight and it just wouldn't budge. So that's a good sign. I didn't go super nuts. I have most of my plants in the greenhouse. I'll show you in a little bit the pergola that's covered. I have the greenhouse up front that has a heat lamp in it, but I kind of did some haphazard protection. I wanted to show you guys at least one cool little trick that I'm sure it's been done, but I'm gonna bring you along and show you something that it's a little different. It's a little tweak I did this year opposed to other years. So we'll see how it plays out. So like right here behind me is my guava. It is guaranteed to die to the ground if it, you know, sustained hard freeze. I'm not going to call this a hard freeze. I'm going to call this a freeze event, just because it's undulating a little bit. But what I did was, people throw out their leaves on the roadside. So a couple neighbors had some. I brought in these big old bags and I basically emptied the bags, cut the bottom so it's like a tube, put the tube over. I did trim a little bit so it wasn't too wily, and then I filled it up with the same leaves, because when you have just plastic touching plants, if it freezes, it's still gonna burn them. This way, leaves are packed in there, there's air, it's insulated. The little bit of sunshine we get will create a greenhouse effect in there, but I did my best to kind of crisscross branches down in there, pack them with leaves. So it's probably not 100%. This example is one of my bigger ones, the guava. I also have some citrus in the front that are similar to this. It's like, I'm really pushing it with this. I wish I had some frost cloth to put over that as well, but we're just making do. My whole thing with the garden is, if it's not meant to be here, you know, I'm not gonna go nuts and just like run around like a chicken with my head cut off, like freaking out about my yard, you know? Some of these things, if they don't make it, they don't make it. Let me show you the carambola star fruit back here. That's a better version of what this is trying to accomplish here. Okay, so this is a nicely little tight package. That's what we want to see. Basically the whole carambola is in there. It's surrounded by inches of leaves on all sides. So even the black bag factor kind of helps absorb a little more heat when the sun's out. So this is a really good version. So this is a little haphazard, but I just praying, you know, burying leaves at the foot of the papaya. This version is a little bit better. So in this version, we're about like wrapped up about a foot of this papaya, but it's packed pretty well all the way around. Harvested a little bit of the fruit. I could probably harvest the rest tonight, but those are pretty tiny. But that's just enough to let it bounce back if the freeze is hard enough to do damage. I did mean to cover these in some leaves, but we do have some brassicas, Swiss chard, kale. They may make it. They're a little young, but we'll see. And this is most of my tropicals are in the greenhouse here. It's pretty big. It's like 15 by 8 feet or so. And it's just packed to the brim with plants, and also have some 5-gallon buckets full of water. You can see that there's a lot of condensation in there. That's actually a really good sign that it's warm in there, warmer than it is outside. All right guys, well, I'm gonna get out of the weather here. It's a little bit chilly. No gloves or anything, so I'm not really dressed for it, but just wanted to show you around a little bit. We'll see how things survive, and I'll keep you updated. All right guys, well, that's gonna do it for today's video. As always, thanks for tuning in. Until next time.